Six Flags Great America, just outside Chicago, has dropped a first look POV concept video for Wrath of Rakshasa, its new Bolliger Mabillard Dive Coaster that will be premiering this year. This is going to set a couple of records for the B&M dive coaster model, including the steepest drop at 96 degrees and the most number of inversions at 5. It's got a chain lift that's going to bring you up the hill for a look 180 feet above the suburban Chicago skyline, dropping you 171 feet for a top speed of 67 miles an hour along your 5 inversions on this over 3,230 foot track length. Again, it's Wrath of Rakshasa, and it's opening this summer at Six Flags Great America. For more theme park news, follow us on themeparkinsider.com.